If you are new, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today we will be going over the DJI Fly app update, including live stream video transmission, added support for Android 12, and added support to view video cached before the loss of image transmission and Find My Drone. For the first step, make sure that your remote is connected to your drone. Make sure you check out my previous video that I made on that subject. Go into Go Fly and go up into settings on the top right, click transmission at the very top, new section, live streaming platforms. Your RTMP, this is a protocol that allows you to stream. Here's a live stream settings. You'll be able to paste in an RTMP address here, live stream resolution of 1080p or 720p, a live stream bitrate at 5 megabits per second or 3 megabits per second. But when you have a weak connection, I would suggest using 5 megabits per second at 720p. That way your live stream quality does not get worse. First, I'm going to try it without a link and it will give me this error, invalid RTMP URL format. And this is where I would go into the settings again and paste in my RTMP link. Now this is the audio test. My drone's about 26 feet away from me. Right here, we're gonna mute the live stream. And unmute. Doesn't look like I can change the... Unfortunately, I'm starting to receive a spotty connection on the live stream itself. Everything you see here is going to skip or make no sense at all. Overall, this is not the greatest live stream and definitely not the worst. This is where I'm going to end the live stream and bring up the topic on Android 12. Unfortunately, my Galaxy S10 does not support Android 12 at the moment of this video. Now, if you're on Android 12 and you have experience with this, please let me know in the comment section down below and I will reply to you. Now I'm setting up my drone for the Find My Drone feature. I am in Find My Drone. I'm going to start flashing and beeping the drone to see if there is video cache. They've added a new sound to the critically low battery feature. It's really annoying, but it's useful. So what it looks like, there's no actual video here. I ended up putting a recharged battery into the drone. Here, I am able to view a live video from the drone, not a cached video. If you have thoughts on why the drone would show me a live video instead of a cached video, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Overall, this was a great update. We have support for Android 12, live streaming feature at 1080p, which is really awesome. And you'll be able to view the video cache in Find My Drone. There is another update that I just updated to today, and it adds support for the Mavic 3. I will be on the lookout for any hidden features inside of the new update. I will also keep you posted on my social media or through a new video. If you liked the video, make sure you drop a like on it so I can drop some more in the near future. And I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it.